Investing in OctaFX, a forex trading platform, involves several steps. Account creation. Register on the OctaFX website and provide your personal and contact information. Verify your identity and address through the required documents. Platform familiarization. Explore the OctaFX trading platform. They offer both the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, known for their user-friendly interfaces and analytical tools. Educational resources. Utilize OctaFX educational resources. They provide tutorials, webinars, and market analysis to enhance your trading knowledge. Choose a trading account. OctaFX offers different account types with varying features and requirements. Select an account that suits your trading goals and risk tolerance. Deposit funds. Fund your trading account using the payment methods provided by OctaFX, which can include bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and e-wallets. Market analysis. Analyze the forex market using technical and fundamental analysis. OctaFX offers various tools and indicators to assist in making informed decisions. Placing trades. Choose a currency pair you want to trade. Decide whether the price will rise or fall, set your lot size, and execute the trade. Risk management. Implement risk management strategies to protect your investment. This includes setting stop loss and take profit levels, monitoring and adjustments. Keep an eye on your open trades and the market's movements. You can modify or close trades based on your analysis. Continuous learning. Forex trading is complex and requires ongoing learning. Stay updated with economic news, global events, and market trends. Withdrawal. If you make profitable trades, you can withdraw your earnings using the available withdrawal methods provided by OctaFX.